Hi guys, my name is Mujtaba. Today we'll be talking about this, the Boya BY-M1 Lavalier microphone. Now this mic is gaining quite a lot of popularity. It has over 30,000 reviews on Amazon and is supposed to be one of Amazon's best choice actually. It's actually one of the best microphone out there for YouTubers and for anyone who is trying to start on Twitch or just looking for a beginner microphone as such. It's a very budget friendly microphone as well. When I actually got this, it costed me about 700 bucks, a little over 700 bucks. So it's a pretty good deal, I would say. Even now it is about 750 rupees. So it's definitely a bargain. So let's unbox this bad boy. So guys, this is the box that the mic comes in, and these are the features. It clearly tells that it works on smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders and whatnot. Let's look into it. Alright, so this is the pouch that the microphone actually comes in. Nothing too fancy, I would say. For this price range, it's a pretty decent glove. Here we have the microphone along with a few other accessories. So guys, as you can see, these are the contents of the bag that we just opened. Here we have the adapter with the mic. Here we have a jack. Here is the wind muffler, the battery which is supposed to be going into the adapter, and here we have the lapel. Build quality is pretty decent, I would say. So if you can see on this adapter guys, there is a different mode for camera as well as for smartphone. If you can see this here, if you're using a camera, obviously you will push the button up and push it down for smartphones. And there's supposed to be a battery going in here, and let's try to fit it in right here. So it goes in something like this. Be careful of the direction, please. I just made that same mistake. I had to use my mother's plucker to pull it out. Right here. So the foam windscreen goes here onto it in this fashion. And this latches on like this. So pretty neat, I'd say. Simple enough. Let's test it out. This is the audio that is being recorded using the lavalier microphone. It is supposed to be recorded in such a way that the mic is slightly farther away from the audio source. Bring it very close to the audio source distorts the voice a little bit. So guys, this was the unboxing and the audio test for the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please feel free to put your suggestions in the comment section. I'll attach the link of this BY-M1 microphone in the description down below. And I'll see you in the next one.